wondering, like, you have a few questions, like, why is there a door in my room? Why is there no blinds? So hey guys, it's Tayana Lewin back here again with another video. You know the thing set, a little bit of everything. You know the thing set. I'm not gonna lie, I might do that intro again, but not right now. I'm so tired. So guys, where have I been? You guys will find out when I come back again. As you can tell from the title, this video is gonna be like a little decorating series vlog of my room. Yes, as you can tell, I've moved houses. It's a bit messy right now, but you guys will see me when I come back again. I'll be opening packages. I mean, I would have started this video now, but the thing is, I don't have everything yet I want, so I'll be back, guys. Currently 11:30 in the morning, getting out of bed. And yeah, guys, just follow me in this journey. It'll be really fun. And yeah. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I really wanna go. I really wanna stay. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. So as you can see, I'm not in my room. What I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna eat quickly and then I'll get back to you guys. So I'm just gonna watch something while I'm eating. It's Crater. I love you, Dior. Hey guys, so I actually already started filming this vlog today, but the thing is, I realized I didn't give you guys a proper intro, so I'm gonna do it right now. In 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, it's Tayana Lewin back here again with another video. You already know the thing, set a little bit of everything. If you read the title, do you know what I'm doing today? I'm coming with a little vlog, a self-care video. Yeah guys, so this is now Tayana editing the video about like 4 weeks later, and all I can say is I'm sorry guys, this video is all over the place because in the beginning I said that this was a decorating my room video, and then now I'm saying it's a self-care video. It's a mixture of both. Yeah, I'm sorry, it's all over the place. Anyways, back to the video. So what I'm about to do now, I mean, well, you guys would have already saw me making breakfast. Now I'm about to wash my hair, so that's what you guys want to see. I've been in this club too long. The woman that I would try is happy with a good guy, but I've been drinking so much. If you guys didn't already know, I actually had a hairstyle that I've done to my hair before this, and I'm doing it again. The thing is that, you know those natural stick hairstyles that when you have them in for too long, like the gel starts to go white and stuff, so I just had to redo it. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I think I should be going out tomorrow, so you know, at least I'll be prepared and my hair will be fresh again. You guys are gonna see me do my hair again, and then what's next. Fuck it out, making them pay. It's high and niggas won't take it. Hey, I'm having my way. Said out here having this way.
Quay out here having this way. And like the third me go out. Take. Bitch. What? Go to the Drake. What else are they gonna play? It's high and niggas won't take it. Ayy, I'm having my way.
Got me. So as you can see, I've finished it. Can you see? As you can see, it's a bit red because I left it on too long. If you do leave it on too long, it will burn you. So that will be the after. But I'll be fine. We'll go back to normal. I'm laughing because my mom made sure I told you guys what would happen, and she's laughing at me.
Go to the Drake. Fuck it, I'm making them pay. It's high and niggas won't take it. Ayy, I'm having my way. Said out here having this way. Quay out here having this way. And like the third me go out. Take. Bitch. What? Go to the Drake. What else are they gonna play?
Hey guys, so as you can probably tell, it's the next day, and I think where I ended the video last night was me doing my hair, and then I just kind of called it a day, to be honest. But it's a new day and I've got another motive. So basically today is going to be all about cleaning my room, because last night it got pretty messy and wild to do my hair, and right now it's not in shape of how I would like it. So you guys are just gonna see me clean a little bit. Also, I got a few more packages coming in today. I was tracking that it should be here probably next half an hour to 45 minutes. So by the time I finish, I should be able to collect that. And also, who doesn't feel nice opening packages when your room is clean? Packages are for my room as well. You guys will see that in another video. So if you guys see me wearing the same thing in that next video, you guys know why. So I'll be opening those in my other video, but this obviously is part of my self-care video, and that will be like a series of me decorating my space, my room, you know, like where I got my decor from. And yeah, so let's get started. Also guys, today is the 3rd of September and Drake's new album came out, A Certified Lover Boy, and I was in the middle of listening to that, but I'm not finished yet, so I mean I need to, but yeah. So guys, let's just get this video, that was my speaker, let's just get this video started. Yeah. We have a few questions like, why is there a door in my room? Why is there no blinds or curtains? And what is that? And what is that? Basically, so if I haven't made myself clear already, I've moved houses, and basically that door over there is the old door that was on this bedroom, that was for this bedroom, but obviously like my mom didn't like the glass. I mean, I didn't like the glass either, so we switched it out. So I've got a new door. It obviously still needs painting. We need to get rid of that very soon, but I think my mom wants to use it for somewhere else, so that's there. Why is there no blinds? As I said, still new, and my window is so big that I'm going to need like custom blinds, so that takes time, obviously. And this is actually not going to stay in my room. This is going up to my sister's room. So right now I'm just resting here, and obviously the drawers are out, so that's why that's there. But minus all of that, the room would actually look pretty much clean, but just because those stuff are there, so please don't mind that. And then those, obviously I need to get a new wardrobe. So I've got my business draw right there. How do I do this? How do I go up? Yeah, right there. And then I got my hair stuff on it. And then those are my packages that you guys will see in the other video I'm gonna open. Like, and kind of save some of the packages as well. Like, some are open just for the thumbnail. And then my shoe boxes. Not everything has been brought down from the other house yet, so I still got a whole bag of shoes. But obviously, like, my shoes that, you know, I'm wearing more often, I've got right there. So that's the shoe boxes. And yeah, and then that mirror is just really, isn't very much temporary. Hi, second Tiana. It's very much temporary because I need a mirror, I'm not gonna lie to you, for my makeup, my hair, etc. etc. Obviously, I've got my bedside table, got my chestnut drawer, got my little carpet. That's temporary as well. Like, my mum laughed at me when I got it because she's like, for such a big room, why such a tiny carpet? But it's just something to spice up the room, just for now, you know. And yeah, so that's that. What's next in this video? I guess I could kind of end this video now. I'm gonna eat. It was just a little update, self-care, a day in my life, 2 days, literally. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end it right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I can post more bangers like this one for your head tops. And if you like this video, obviously like it, you know. Yeah, if you guys want to know where I got any of this stuff from, you know, just drop a comment down below. Be more than happy to help you guys. Stay tuned for my next video. You guys are probably gonna like it more than this one. Bye guys, over and